How to process WooCommerce refunds. An easy guide. To understand how WooCommerce refunds work, let's place the order for 2 laptops. Add them to the cart and then proceed to checkout. In the checkout page, add the address, select shipping preferences, and place the order. In the next window, you will see the details of the order that you have placed. Manual refunds. Go to the WooCommerce orders page. Select the desired order for which the refund has to be processed. Scroll down to find the order information and click on the refund button, as shown. For partial refunds, enter the desired amount in the same field. If there are multiple quantities of product, you can select quantities of products to refund the amount, as shown. Next, to refund the full amount, enter the full amount value of the product in the refund amount field. You can also add a reason for the refund amount for future reference. After the order status is changed, the order notes will be updated. Automatic refunds. Here, we use the ELEX WooCommerce Authorized.net plugin to initiate automatic refunds. First, go to Plugins and click Add Plugin. Next, click Upload Plugin, choose the zip file, and click Install Now. Once the plugin is installed, click on Activate. Next, go to the settings of the plugin. We are adding the sandbox credentials here. Once done, click on Save Changes. We will be using the previous example, but the only change will be the payment method. We will be using Authorized.net. Just like in manual refunds, enter the desired amount in the Refund Amount field and click on the Authorized.net refund option to process the refund. For more such videos, like, share and subscribe to our channel.